the Mahakumbh Mela that continues in Prayagraj. Today is the 36th day of the Mahakumbh and devotees continue to throng the ghats of Triveni Sangam. More than 1 crore devotees took a holy bath on the 34th day of Mahakumbh. Even now, a flood of devotees and bathers are pouring towards the Sangam Ghat. Even as the number of devotees taking the dip in Prayagraj reached 1.2 crores on 15 February, the crowds at the Mahakumbh 2025 just keep increasing. Pilgrims at the Kumbh report facing problems travelling in trains as unreserved passengers board trains headed to Prayagraj. However, the devotees remain undeterred. Now, our colleague Deepak Badhana brings us this ground report from Mahakumbh itself to show us what the situation is like there at this given point. Let's take a look.
With record-breaking crowds at the Mahakumbh 2025, we've seen some more security arrangements in place. This morning, there was a declaration of a visit from the CM and Nitin Gadkari as well, among a host of other VIPs. Right next to me, you'll see barricades, and they've attempted to segregate people who are coming to and from the Sangam. Let's hear from the pilgrims here how their experience has been so far. Ma'am, आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
US.
US से?
Yes.
So,
She's from Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore.
आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं पटना से आई हूँ।
पटना से आए हैं। So, आप कहाँ से आए हैं सर?
हम बिहार मुंगेर से
मुंगेर से। अच्छा, ma'am, how has the journey been so far? There were talks about crowding, there were talks about traffic jams and railways. How has your personal experience been so far?
Amazing. As even though the crowds have been so large, it's not felt chaotic. It's felt very peaceful, very kind. The people have been very nice. So I've loved the experience.
मैडम, आप कहाँ से आए हैं? आप
पटना
तो कैसे आए हैं आप यहाँ पे? बस से आए हैं, ट्रेन से?
ट्रेन से आए हैं।
तो आपको रास्ते में क्या ट्रेन में जैसे बताया जा रहा है कि पैसेंजर्स की ज़्यादा भीड़ है वहाँ पे, क्या कोई आपको परेशानी आई है?
झूठ है।
ठीक है। यहाँ पे अभी तक जितना भी आप जैसे आए हैं, आप मुंगेर से आए हैं, मुंगेर से आपका सफर कैसा रहा है?
ट्रेन से आए हैं,
ट्रेन से आए हैं?
बहुत अच्छा से आए हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ।
कल रात गया से जब आप आ रहे थे वहाँ पे क्या कोई इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं?
गया सब होके नहीं आए हैं, पटना होके आए हैं और बहुत अच्छा अनुभव हुआ। स्नान में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ, बहुत आराम से स्नान किए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपका क्या प्लान है यहाँ से?
अभी हमको झूसी जाना है, झूसी से फिर अयोध्या जाना है।
मैम, व्हाट अबाउट यू? आपका what does your itinerary look like?
Trying to go to as many temples today with my sister, and so it's just a journey, and then we're going back tomorrow.
If I could ask you something more. See, a lot of people didn't come here in the early days. Did you purposefully plan to come here at this point in time? No.
We just wanted to come, so it was planned because she planned.
So tell me about your planning. Tell me about your planning. How did you come to decide on this day? Were you expecting such crowds here?
We were not expecting these kind of crowds, and we have not come in the initial days because we were frightened, thinking that things will not be so well managed and we'll get lost in the crowds and all that. But then some of our friends and relatives did come here and they had an awesome experience. So we thought we'll also, enjoy that experience, and it's been awesome.
Well, I wish you all the best for your journey henceforth. आप बताइए, आप अभी आपका क्या है यहाँ से प्लान अभी?
अयोध्या जाने की।
अयोध्या जाएंगे? आप सर?
मैं रीवा जाऊंगा। मैं चिरौलानाथ सरकार की धरती से रीवा से, और यहाँ पे गंगा मैया के दर्शन किया और उसके बाद रीवा। और आप सभी को जय गंगे माई।
मेरा बस आप लोगों से एक सवाल है कि कंसिडरिंग यहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ है एंड अभी ये पूरे विश्व में बल्कि हिस्टोरिकली सबसे ज़्यादा भीड़ जहाँ इंसान एक साथ इकट्ठे हुए वो महाकुंभ है प्रयागराज में। तो आप लोग जब यहाँ आए हैं, क्या कोई आशंकाएं थी और किस तरीके का आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
कोई आशंका नहीं, प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट, हर चीज़ अच्छी। हमें तो लगता है कि इस चीज़ को गिनीज बुक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में है ना नोटिस किया जाना चाहिए। इट शुड बी नोटेड इन द गिनीज बुक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड।
So considering that these devotees have come from the far corners of the earth, people have come from all over India, and they're well aware that they would face massive crowds here. They're still here because of belief and because of devotion. We can only wish them the best of luck for their journey henceforth. आपको भी आगे का सफर आपका शानदार हो।
Now, devotees unfazed in the face of reports of traffic jams, delayed trains and crowds, as you could just see in this very ground report. They state that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and are calling for everyone to take part in the Kumbh. Because remember, When we speak of this very Mahakumbh, it is the Purna Mahakumbh, one that comes every 144 years, while Mahakumbh takes place every 12 years, which is what makes this particular Mahakumbh extremely special.